I'm angry, and you should be too. The politicians, the pundits, and ultimately the President of the United States told us again and again, healthcare reform won't ration care. They lied. They said reform is not socialized medicine. They lied. They said it's not socialism. They lied. And then they nominated a socialist to run it. In May of 2010, our group of thousands of practicing physicians, like your family doctor, warned the Senate and the country President Obama was nominating a socialist to run Medicare. Now, the President has rammed the nomination through by recess appointment. No debate, no discussion, no accountability. In perhaps the largest power grab in human history, Dr. Donald Berwick will be placed in charge of an $800 billion budget of your money and my money. And this is a man who made a career of celebrating socialized medicine and rationing care for the very young, the very old, and the very sick. Now, for centuries, doctors and patients have made life and death decisions regarding health care, as it should be. But these decisions will now be made by a centralized government using thousands of pages of regulations written by lawyers and bureaucrats, not by practicing doctors. This control will ultimately impact over 100 million Americans. It's a backdoor power grab. It's dragging our country down the road to socialism, and we should resist it. As a doctor, I don't treat Republicans or Democrats. I treat patients. And ordinarily, I don't like getting political. But I and thousands of my colleagues are uniting because the politicians have crossed the line. They're hurting you, our patients, and we won't stand for it. Please, contact your senators and representatives. Tell them to demand that the White House be transparent and accountable. We have a plan for responsible health care reform and the future of medicine. You can learn more about our plan at Docs4PatientCare, the website D4PC.org.